So good day everyone. So for today, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano isolve yung mga ganitong klase ng tanong. Okay, so let's start. So dito, hahanapin natin yung sum. So find the sum of the series. Okay, so 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 8 plus 10 plus plus 298 plus 299. Okay. So, ang tanong dito again is hanapin daw natin yung sum. Okay. So, sum ng series na ito. Okay. So, pero if titignan natin yung given, mapapansin agad natin na pag kinuha natin yung common difference, hindi siya common. Okay, so try natin. So 2 minus 1, that is 1. 4 minus 2, that is 2. 5 minus 1, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. So kung titignan ninyo, alternating yung sagot. Okay, so may 1, may 2, may 1, may 2. So hindi siya common or wala siyang common difference. Therefore, anong gagawin natin? Okay. So, pag naka-encounter kayo ng ganitong tanong, okay, so ganito nyo siya isosolve. So, let's start. Let's start solving. Okay. So, unang gagawin natin ay kunin muna natin yung mga terms na pwede tayong magkaroon ng common difference. In this case, kung titignan natin yung 1, 4, 7, tsaka 10. Okay, so ulit natin. So meron akong 1 plus 4 plus 7 plus 10 plus plus yung last term which is 299. Okay. So if we're going to check the common difference, makikita natin na 4 minus 1 is 3. 4 minus 7 is 3. 10 minus 7 is 3. So meron na tayong common difference of 3. Okay, so i-write down na natin yung mga values na meron tayo. So meron tayong a sub 1. So meron tayong a sub 1 that is equal to 1. Yan yun. Okay. Meron tayong a sub n that is equal to 299. So ito yun. Meron na rin tayong d which is 3. Okay. So let's now apply yung arithmetic sequence formula, that is a sub n equals to a sub 1 plus quantity n minus 1 times d. Okay. So let's substitute the values. Yung a sub n natin, alam natin that is 299. That is equal to a sub 1 is 1 plus n is unknown minus 1 times d. So d is 3. Okay. So distribute first yung 3 dito. So magiging 299 is equals to 1 plus 3n minus 3. Then simplify further, meron kang 299 is equals to 3n, 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Then lipat yung negative 2 sa kabilang side of the equation. Makukuha mo is 301 is equals to 3n. And to get n, we need to divide both sides by 3. So cancel 3, n is equals to 301 over 3. 301 is not divisible by 3, so we write n as is. So magiging fraction yung n natin. Okay. So now meron na tayong n. So pwede na natin kunin yung sum. Okay. Netong terms na to. So applying the formula for arithmetic series, so that is Sn, that is equal to n over 2 a sub 1 plus a sub n. So mayroon na tayong n, that is 301 over 3 over 2. Yung over 2 galing yan dito sa formula. Times a sub 1 is 1 plus a sub n is 299. So simplify lang natin, that will become, so ito, para lang may idea kayo, no? Kung hindi pa kayo masyadong sure kung paano, yung 301 divided by 3 over 2, yung 2 pwedeng maging fraction yan by simply writing over 1. So ano ba yung rule natin sa fraction, or ano ba yung rule natin when dividing fraction over a fraction? So ang gagawin lang natin ay get the reciprocal of the denominator and then multiply. So it will become 301 over 3 times, babalik ta rin natin yung 2 over 1, so magiging 1 over 2 times 1 plus 299, that is 300. Okay. So that is equals to, so 301 times 1, so 301 over 3 times 2, that is 6 times 300. So makukuha na natin yung S sub n. So depende sa'yo kung ang gusto mo ay i-divide mo muna yung 300 by 6 tsaka mo i-times ng 301, or times mo muna yung 301 sa 300 then divide by 6. So ang gawin ko is di-divide ko muna yung 300 by 6, so that is 50. Okay, so 300 divided by 6 is 50 times 301. So ano kaya magiging sagot? Okay, so our answer will be 15,050. Okay, so yan yung ating sum. Okay, ito yung sagot natin dito. Okay, so ayan. So paano yung natira? Okay, so meron pa tayo, kasi ito pa lang yung first part ng ano natin, ng sagot, no? So meron pa tayong naiwan na other terms, which is yung 2, 5, 8. Okay, so yan, and then 298. So ganun din, same procedure. Okay, so solve din natin siya. Okay, so magiging a sub n. So hatiin natin siya. Sulat ko muna yung mga terms. So that is 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus dot plus 298. Okay. So alam na natin na ang common difference is 3, no? 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay. So a sub n, that is equal to a sub 1 n minus 1b. So same procedure, parang katulad nito. Ang a sub n natin this time will be 298. That is equal to a sub 1 this time is 2. So ayan yun ha. Okay, para hindi ka malito. 298 is a sub n, 2 is a sub 1. And then yung d natin dito is 3. Okay. So ayan, kompleto na. So plus n minus 1 times d is 3. So distribute lang yung 3. So magiging 298 is equals to 2 plus 3n minus 3. Then simplify ulit, that is equal to 3n minus 1. Then lipat yung minus 1 sa kabila, magiging 299 is equals to 3n. Divide both sides by 3, cancel 3, that will become n equals to 299 over 3. Okay, so ayan. Pero hindi tayo after dun sa n, we're after with the sum. So pwede na natin gamitin yung arithmetic series. Okay, sum of the arithmetic series, no? That is s sub n, that is equal to, napalit tayo kulay ng pen para mas makita nyo. Yan. So meron tayo s sub n equals to n over 2 quantity a sub 1 plus a sub n. So that will become n, ito na yon, 299 over 3 over 2. So wag mong kalimutan yung over 2. Okay? So ito natin lagay equals yan. Times a sub 1 is 2 plus a sub n is 298. Okay. So kung paano ito isolve, itong portion na tong 299 over 3 over 2, same lang dun sa tinuro ko kanina dito. So, mangyayari lang dyan ay magiging 299 over 6. Okay, so kung ba't naging over 6, ito yon yung pinaliwanag ko dito. Then, times 300. Okay, so same procedure, yung S sub n natin will become 300 divided by 650. This time, umumultiply ko siya sa 299. So, magiging sagot natin dito is 14,950. Okay, so ayan. Pero ang tinatanong kasi is yung sum of the series o yung lahatan. Okay, so ang gagawin mo lang dyan is add mo lang yung dalawa. So that is sum is equals to 15,050 plus 14,950. So ang final answer natin, that will be equal to 30,000. So ayan. So ito ngayon yung final answer. So kung ngayon tinatanong naman kayo kung ano yung terms or how many terms meron itong series na to, add mo lang yung n. So this time ang i-add mo naman yung n. Ayan. So ayan. Although fraction siya pero pareho namang 3 yung denominator, so madali lang i-add, no? So that is n is equals to 301 over 3 plus 299 over 3. So that is equal to, common yung denominator, so just copy. 301 plus 299 is 600. So n is equals to 200. Ibig sabihin, meron daw 200 terms ito lahat. From 1 to 299. So I hope nakatulong itong video tutorial na ito for your distance learning. Okay? So that's it. Thank you.